Today is September the 20th, 2021. Today we're working on page 200. Okay, we had done we're doing 201 today. You should have done page 200 already. Okay, so today our lesson has to do with reread your prediction in the do now from the last session. Explain whether your prediction was correct. Our do now today will be your weekend and goals. Okay. All right, then we've got page 200. 201. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. Okay, you guys should be able to fill this in on your own and get it turned in. Okay, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time. Why did John Wilkes Booth want revenge? He wanted revenge because blank. Why did Major Rathbone grab Booth's coat? Blank. How did the audience and actors react during Booth's escape? Blank. Okay. All right, easy. I want details though. Okay, don't just make it as short and sweet as you possibly can. I want details. Okay, I want you to fill these out. We've read it. We've talked about it. It's kind of been everything we've talked about in class. So this should be a pretty easy finish up for you. Okay, and then we're moving forward from there. So page 201, get it turned in. Do now will be your weekend. Share details of your weekend and set an outside of school goal and an inside of school goal for this week. And we'll go from there. All right, guys, have a fabulous Monday. Hope everybody's well, happy, and life is good. Thank you. Bye.